Welcome back to Atlas Unlimited. Last time we took a walk across the Megane Bridge. Today we're heading down the street to check out one of Nagasaki's hidden gems, the Chōsoji Temple. Choshoji is actually located in an area of Nagasaki called the Teramachi, which translated means Temple Town, an area where numerous Buddhist temples from different sects are all carefully arrayed along the hillside. And even the short walk up to them is steeped in Japanese history.
This is an example of what it used to look like on the same exact street from this shot.
Much of the temple district dates back to the 1600s. Coming across plaques like these just makes JC and I more excited to finally get to the temple.
There you go, much better. I like it. I like your face too much for you to not be in your own videos.
Not that cool. Here in Nagasaki, kind of on this temple street, there's a lot of like these Buddhist temples. This is Choshoji. There's a lot more Chinese influence here. So much of their religion is intertwined with nature. The way it wraps around the houses, the buildings, the shrines is kind of emblematic of that, which is really cool.
I also feel like too, like people, like we feel more grounded when we're kind of, you know, allowed to have more of that surrounding us. You know, I feel more balanced when I have, like when I'm in nature, like when I'm doing things outdoors. And so I feel like a lot of that is invigorating to me having the energy every day that I need, you know.
For me, however, Chōsoji is a difficult temple to love. Under the Tokugawa shogunate in 1614, Christianity was banned. Believers were rounded up and executed, and temples like these were used as a way to oversee the population, ensuring that Christianity never made a return. But it's important to separate that bloody history from those who give honest patronage to this temple, and for that reason, I can still respect and admire it. And as it turns out, we've only explored half of it.
Should go back there?
That's cool, yeah.
Check it out. I wonder if there's really anything back there.
I don't know if we can, but it's really cool.
Oh, maybe not. I don't know. There's something back here, though.
Really?
Yeah, there's like a statue of some kind.
Okay. There are people here too, by the way.
Huh?
Wow. Good eye, JC.
Yeah, thanks. I like little secret passageways. Oh, that's cool.
What?
I totally stumbled on the best little secret passageway. This is great.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is gonna be cool. Wow. Okay, this is gonna be kind of a cool view too. Oh, this is awesome. Nice. Yeah, this is a good view of the city. This is not a place that you would honestly consider. Oh my word. Wow.
Bigger than I thought.
Yeah. You'd never think from the outside that it's just this like continual climb.
Chōsoji Temple is beautiful. And the fact that it's kept so immaculately well preserved is evidence of the deep and abiding love that the Japanese citizens have for their faith. One I think all of us can learn something from. Next time on Atlas Unlimited, we're visiting one of the longest pedestrian suspension bridges in Japan, the Yume Bridge. Thank you so much to our Patreon members. If you want to help support these VR videos and 2D documentaries, come join our postcard club. See you along the road.